Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my show, Crypto Express, where it's my goal to keep you up to date with what's going on in the market so you can stay ahead and make as much money as possible. I have been sick lately, so I do apologize if for not making videos as much last week. It actually made me very, very sad. I was like half dead in bed and was just like trying to get to the computer and it was just fail. But okay, today's video is super hot. As many of you may know, the talk of the town, like everyone's talking about Depe, Degen Pepe, that's on Base Network, which is like the hottest right now in the space in crypto. This means, if you're new to crypto, that this is like comparable to like Ethereum, to like Solana, to Avalanche, or Polygon, okay? But there's also like incredible tech behind it, which I happen to know has been vetted by my partner, Kyle Chasse, who's founder and CEO of MV Global Venture Studio. Basically, they make crypto companies and they take them to market through their launchpad, Paid Network. I used to be the former CMO there. I'm very, very proud of that. Took over 100 projects to market with my marketing go-to-market strategy. So anyway, let's get to today's video. Today's video is about how to buy Depe. I actually made this video before and I already did the whole thing and turned out like the camera was not on me, so it's highly annoying. But I love you guys very much. So I'm gonna do it again, okay? So first thing is first, you'll have to go to Kyle Chasse's YouTube channel. It's Kyle Chasse, C-H-A-S-S-E, it's French, not Chase, Chasse, Crypto. And then you're gonna scroll and you're gonna see his video from 2 days ago. You're gonna click on it. You will just scroll. Make sure you're on breaking. The next whiff is Degen Pepe. Make sure you're on that video. You're gonna scroll up. And in the first comment that's pinned, you're gonna click read more. And these are the steps. Okay, let me first. I happen to have them all in order already open. Otherwise I would do it for you. But you're gonna open bridgebase.org, make sure they're in order, then bridge.degen.tips, all of these links, okay? And once you go to the first link, which is bridge.base.org/deposit, you're gonna wanna connect your Metamask. Connecting your Metamask, as I told you, I did this before, okay? But you would click Connect Wallet. You're gonna click Metamask. It's not available on Phantom. On Rabi Wallet it is. I would encourage you to check it out. It's basically an aggregator of wallets. I have it, but just not on this wallet that I just made for you guys today. It's a new wallet. So we're gonna click Metamask. Click on it. Now we're connected, as you can see on the upper right hand corner, and we're on Ethereum network. So what we're going to want to do is we're going to want to buy some Ethereum onto Base Network. That's what it says here. Network. From Ethereum network to Base Network. So it says I have 0.44 at the bottom here available. So I'm going to just move all of it. 44. Oh, it says I have insufficient. Oh, remember gas is extremely expensive right now. Oh, it's 0, 2. Chances are gas a moment ago was like more than 50% than what I was trying to like convert. So I'm gonna not even risk it right now. Deposit ETH, confirm in a wallet. It says gas is very high right now. So it says I can do 28.88. Okay, so let's collect, I think I could probably buy a little more, but it's okay. We're gonna do confirm. It's confirming. We just have to be very patient. So it is confirming. Deposit in transit to Base. Typically it takes a few minutes to reach the Base network. So this is where you'll view it. So let's view it on Etherscan. This is where it's like your receipt. Whenever you send each other transactions in crypto, typically the etika is you are supposed to send this URL to the person as proof that you sent it. And here it says success, although there's many blocks in the background. You see here it says 2 block confirmation. There's many blocks in the background, but it says success, so I should have it. So let's click my MetaMask icon. Let's go to tokens, and you see I have $78 worth, 78.87 cents of ETH. That's great. Next, you're going to go to the next website. Let's just get out of here. Disconnect. Okay, so now we are at bridge.degen.tips. So what's interesting is that there's base network layer 2s, which are your companies. We call them dApps for decentralized apps, companies that are built on top of base network. Then you have layer 3, which is really interesting. And it's called Degen. That's the name of the layer of the chain. It's called Degen. And it's for Degen Memecoins only. It's super hilarious. I love it. Okay, so now we need to move our Ethereum on base chain over to Degen chain. So we're going to do the same thing we did before, but this time we're moving from base to Degen. Because on Degen chain, the gas you spend to buy meme coins is called Degen. So we need some of this gas, right? So we're going to go here. Just make sure you refresh always. And let's make sure we're connected to our wallet. So let's do Metamask. And it's asking me, do you want to move from Ethereum to base? I'm going to say yes, please. So now I'm connected. As you can see, these are the last 4 numbers of my wallet. And I'm going to move my Ethereum on base, it's the first option you see here, over to Degen. And I want to do the max amount. So I'm going to do 0.00. I'm going to spare some for gas because it's outrageously expensive. Hopefully this works, guys, because gas has been like crazy. So I'm going to do like $24. Swap. We're swapping. You click swap. It's going to have this little pop-up come up. If you don't see a pop-up come up, go to your MetaMask icon and click on it. There's most likely like a number or something pending there. So I'm going to do estimated gas fee is very cheap. So I'm going to try to swap more. I'm going to do 0.24. Can I do that much? Okay, so we're swapping about $83.28. It says insufficient funds, of course. Let's do 69.40. Hello, let's refresh. Make sure we're swapping from ETH. Okay, let's not be greedy. I already did this once. This is just for you guys. 2.2. Insufficient gas. I'm telling you, gas is crazy. Last time I had, is it gonna work? Okay, swap. So we're spending about 0.015 ETH, about $52. Swapping. Hopefully I have enough gas because it was crazy. I had to do it like 3 times earlier. Confirm. And boom. So you can do view transaction or you can click continue. I'm going to click continue. It says swapped. Great. So the next thing we're going to do is click on MetaMask to see if it's true. We're currently in base, so we can't see it anyway. So what we have to do now is we have to go to this tweet. It's by this person called Kay, and I'm really grateful for this tweet, so thank you very much. And it says how to add Degen layer 3. That's what L3 stands for, layer 3 to MetaMask. It says you can do it manually, but I find it easier to use Chainlist. So just go to this tweet, which I will link in my description and also in my tweet and also in my Telegram community. If you haven't joined, please do. I have a whole team dedicated just to helping explain everything to you. You can ask anything and they'll explain it to you. Or tell me so I can make a video for you. So we're gonna do click on chainlist.org. It's gonna bring you here. It's already pre-selected, as you can see. Degen was already typed in. So you're gonna do add to MetaMask right here. I happen to already have done this because I already made this video for you guys, as I said. So let's see what happens. But you would just click on it and follow the prompts, and it would say, do you want this site to switch from base to Degen chain? I'm gonna say yes, switch networks. Can you see that? Switch networks. Boom. So now I'm switched. So to see if it's true, click on your MetaMask. And you see how I'm on D? This is the network selection at the top left corner. There's Ethereum, Linea, Base. We just added. Now we have Degen chain where we can buy Degen meme coins on Base. Super funny. Degen chain. So we are indeed on that layer. And this is how much Degen we have, which is not really very much because it just hasn't updated yet. And as you can see, I already have some Depe, because I already did this, as I told you. So we are just gonna wait because what happened previously was it just took forever to update. So what we can do is we just need to wait, like straight up. Refresh list, just wait like a minute. Last time it took me like a minute or two. And then it updated, so refresh list many times. In the meantime, let's go take a look at the website. So is this it? So this is the website of Depe, Degen Pepe. Super funny. It's the first and biggest meme coin on Degen layer 3. Super, super funny, automated, liquidity, and impossible to rug because of its, what do they call it? It's got a very interesting token economic model that is deflationary based on how many times people buy. It's very interesting. Basically protects everybody from being rugged. You can come learn all the information about it here, the information of the website, everything. But let's go see if we have our Degen now. We don't. Okay, so now that we have our Degen, $1,825 worth, because that's your gas. Once again, sorry, there was a huge delay before. We are now going to go to mint.club/token/degen/Depe, DEPE. And we are going to go here. Let me zoom in for you. And this time it's telling us how much we want to buy from the required asset. So I have 1.83 thousand worth of Degen. I'm going to do 1.5. Maybe I'll do 1.6 because it's quite cheap. Maybe 1.8. Let's see if it goes through. Buy. So I'm buying 878.62 or 63 cents worth of Depe. Buy. My little MetaMask window will pop up. It's going to tell me how much I'm spending. Confirm. And boom, I have minted some Depe. Fantastic. So you can view it on Degen Explorer. This is what it looks like. Go ahead and bookmark it, as I will do as well. This is where you can check all of your meme coins on Degen chain layer. Okay, so now we have bought some. Congratulations. And this amount of Depe, as you would know, I've done this 2 times now. This is the amount of Depe that I have. I'm gonna take a screenshot for you. I will give this Depe to my community, to you guys, to the top 10 people. I'm gonna run another campaign and I will be giving away some Depe. Go share this channel because it's my goal not to make like the most unbelievable amount of money, although it is, okay? I was able to reach financial freedom last bull run. And this one, I want to be like retired for life, you know, not like very comfortably. I'm already technically retired, but I wouldn't live like a rich person on how much I have. Maybe I would, depending on how I play this bull market. But it is my goal to make crypto as easy and accessible to everybody. So I'm always here for you. My community, please join if you haven't already in the Telegram. It's in the link in the description of this video. Please join. And share this video with anyone that you know in your life that doesn't mind doing hard work. And basically, with meme coins and crypto in general, it's like an Easter egg hunt in video games. You have to go find the clues and go follow the trail. So it's my goal and hope to make these videos for you, so it's as easy for you to do. Please watch these videos many times as needed. Go step by step. Write it down. Go to Kyle's video, as I told you. Kyle Chasse, this video, breaking the next whiff is Degen. Here are all the steps, which I'll also put in my comments, but I do want to pay honor where honor's due because he did all the hard and heavy lifting for this coin. Let me tell you that even Crypto Banter got it from Kyle Chasse, okay? It's huge. But okay, I will wrap it up now. And you guys are very welcome. I hope this was instructive and easy enough for you to follow. And if it wasn't, please let me know, or let my community know. I have community managers covering around the clock. Thank you very much, community managers. And they're literally here for you. Like, that's it. Yeah, I'm paying for them to be here for you. So ask any question and they will let me know. They don't know the answer and I will make a video for you. All right, that's that. I hope you're doing good, and I will catch you guys here tomorrow. That said, I'm gonna just drop a quick bomb for you guys. I'm gonna say one word, and next video I will tell you more information. Think Jensen. That's all I'm gonna say. Okay, love you.